Say I want energy in a particular form. We'll talk about heat. So I want energy in the form of heat. A quick question. How can you generate heat? Yeah, how can you generate heat? Yes, I'm sure a few of you are thinking about burning. Few of you are thinking about rubbing hands, right? Forest fire, friction basically. And few of you would be thinking about electricity, switch on a geyser, switch on a heater, you get heat, right? So in all of this, one thing is common. We're converting energy from one form to another form. It's conversion of energy. And that's what the law of conservation of energy tells. I can't generate heat out of blue. I have to convert it from one form to another form. This is what law of conservation of energy talks about. Conversion of energy from one form to another form. But that's not what I wanted to discuss. This is not the main thing. The question is, how do we convert it? We have to convert it, yes. How do we convert it? And how do we convert the energy that is flowing in form of electrons that is moving around? How do you convert that energy? This is the question which we have to discuss as per this chapter. So the big answer, the big word, the big shout out is resistance. This is how you convert from energy from one form to another form. In wherever you're talking about, this is how it gets converted. So the question is, what is resistance? So the detail of it is in the next set of videos. But before I start off talking about the resistance in physics, I would like you guys to think about resistance in general. Forget that you're studying physics. Where have you heard the word resistance? It's synonym to something. It's a very common word. Opposition. People resist change. People resist dictatorship. People resist, bad things. Something happening wrong with them and things around. Right? Of course, we have people resisting even the good things as well. So, in humans and in nature, resistance or the opposition is there. It's by default inbuilt in everything. That's how life is, right? That's how the world is. That's how the universe is. So resistance is a very common thing that everyone understands. So understanding over here is not going to be that difficult. So we have looked into what are charges, a basic understanding about charges, and that when it moves, we have current, and the cause of the current is your voltage. And now we're looking into making use of it. That is the resistance.